Can we stabilize a video in Inshot? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can stabilize a video in Inshot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So Inshot is a video editing app. It's a really easy app to use and a really useful app as well. So in this video, let's find out if it can stabilize a video or not. So open up your Inshot first, and so you can simply tap on the video option to start a new project or use any one from your draft. So I'll just use one from my draft, and there you can see now if I want to stabilize this video, normally there should be a stabilize option in video editing apps. Let's try to find it here. So as you can see, there are a lot of different options, and there are different options including your speed, animation, AI cut, crop, switch, cutout, and much more. So normally there should be a separate option to simply stabilize the video. So it's not here. So let's head over to speed. Now, even in speed, there is only the standard option, that is to increase the speed or decrease the speed, and the curve. Now, some people can say that using the curve can be used to stabilize a video, but that's not the case here. So that won't work. So as you can see, there are a lot of options you can explore, and you can try to explore yourself as well, but there is no option to stabilize a video in Inshot. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.